Okay, here's a quick overview of where we are at on our 7x14 all aluminum slant V-nose. So when we ordered it with the powered awning and windows. I added the two undermount truck toolboxes, put them sideways. I will be adding a mini split on top. On the passenger side is the leveling and stabilizing. I switched out the jack for a trailer valet jack. On the driver's side, water and electrical intake. Up top, I have a pair of 200 watt solar panels wired in parallel. Window was installed by the manufacturer. I installed the 30 amp electrical input, still in process. As you can see, the wiring isn't hooked up yet, but ready to do that here soon. We have two narrow twins in the back for each of us, one for each of us. Our electrical so far is a 280 watt cycle battery. Have a 2000 watt Renogy charger, inverter charger. I imagine that will be the last Renogy product I ever buy. The MPPT solar charge controller is Victron. We are doing a faux shiplap. Still have a lot of work to do on that. Up top we have two MaxxAir fans. This is a 10-speed input and output. And in the front we have a 4-speed exhaust. Here is our kitchen. We found these totes at IKEA. My wife thought, of the idea of using them as drawers. I like the idea, nice lightweight. We're using two sizes. One is about 4 inches deep. The other is about 8 or 9 inches deep. I mounted the rails every 5 inches if you're interested. And they go, each one goes 2 deep. I need to mount this up. Put a little hook up here, as when we went out the last time, this top drawer came out. Over here we will be putting in a sink. We will have 20 gallons of onboard water, but right now we're just using a 5-gallon jug and coming out of the USB tap. We have, I believe it's a 7.3 120 volt fridge. And we just put in framing around it today so we can actually travel with it without it going anywhere. We are going boondocking this weekend, and I'm hoping to have walls up to give it just a little bit more rigidity and a top. So Jolka gotta go. Tell you what, we've used that a few times. It's a really good boondocking toilet. And that is about it. Have any questions, feel free to ask. I imagine this is going to be taking me the majority of summer to get it finished, but having fun with the build.